This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Absolutely gorgeous beach condo just a short distance to the oceanfront beaches, boardwalk, restaurants and dining. Wonderful bright and open floor plan. End unit is in move-in condition with brand new kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops and a spacious eat-up bar area. Living room is centered around a gas fireplace with easy access to the private outdoor covered deck area. First floor primary suite with walk-in closet and an updated bathroom with new custom vanity, beautiful brand new carpet, fresh paint, LVT flooring and more. Move right into this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below.